What's up, guys? Welcome back to Getting Saucy. I am so excited to be here at Gerhardt's Malvern in our beautiful Monogram Experience Center with my friend, designer Jess.
Guys.
Hi! So today, together, we are going to create stuffed cookies that you and your family are going to love for Shark Week. So let's get started. So we're gonna make this recipe as super simple as we can so you can get back to the TV and spend less time in your kitchen. So what I'm going to do is simply take a mini muffin pan and I'm going to spray it down with Pam. I'm gonna try not to spray Jess. I'm gonna spray it down. And then in front of us, we have a little bit of sugar cookie dough pre-made. So we're just gonna take it out. This is Pillsbury and it's cut into little individual cookies already. And I'm just gonna place the cookies just as they are right into the pan, okay? We're gonna let them cook into their little muffin shape. And then when they come out of the oven, we're gonna press them down so we can fill them.
So we're going to use the 5-in-1 oven to make the cookies. The best thing about this oven is that there's no preheating, so you can just go ahead and throw them on in.
Okay guys, so now that our cookies are in the oven, I'm going to show you how to make my favorite thing in the world, cream cheese frosting, and we're going to fill the center of our cookies with this. So let's get started. First, we're going to move in with our cream cheese, and that's at room temperature. Okay guys, so our gorgeous cream cheese frosting is ready. I'm going to get it into a bag so that we can pipe it on. I'm simply taking a Ziploc bag and cutting off one edge, and I'm going to fit it with a 1M tip. You can just simply cut it off and squeeze your frosting right into your bag. Now, while I'm filling my bag, we are actually going to move on to our little shark fin pieces. We're going to make those with melted chocolate, and Jess is going to show us how easily we can melt our chocolate on the induction cooktop.
So to make our shark fins, we're going to melt some chocolate and we're going to use our Monogram induction cooktop. The cool thing about induction is that it heats the vessel using magnets rather than heating the surface. So all we're going to do is dump our chocolate chips in, and then you're going to use a few tablespoons of shortening. We're going to keep our burner on low and let that simmer.
So our cookies have cooled in the fridge about 5 minutes. Our chocolate is all set up and we have a little bit of blue sprinkles. So you're simply going to pipe some of your frosting right into your cookie like so. We're gonna add a little bit of our blue sprinkles right to the top so our shark has some water to swim on. Next step is finally our little chocolate fins. So cute. We're just gonna place them right into our cupcake. All right, cheers. Thanks for being on the show. Let's try. You guys.
Oh, good.
Crunchy cookie, deliciously sweet frosting, a little bit of chocolate fin, and it is the perfect Shark Week treat. We hope you join us again for another fun episode of Getting Saucy in our beautiful Monogram kitchen. Jess, thank you so much for coming on today. And until we see you guys the next time, we hope you stay saucy. Bye.